Hey, it's me, PixelBossXtreme, and today, my dad just bought me the new Yeezy 350 Boost V2s, and I guess this is just an unboxing and review.
And review, yeah.
These are the zebras.
Yeah, go ahead, take them out. We got big old feet. So hold them up, show me. Kind of, just one at a time. And show me sides and everything, talk about it. Tell me what you think.
I think they look pretty cool. I like the pattern on it.
So this is the newest trend, the fad to have these shoes. Ugh, they're ugly to me, but hey, whatever floats y'all's kids' boats nowadays. All right, so what else you gotta say, man? They stink? They do stink.
I kind of like them. I mean, I like how it smells.
They're lit, man. They're dope. They're rad. They're righteous. Come on.
The ones that the kids have at school? They don't? Why?
It's really cool, and I'm gonna do a little test right now to see how they feel.
How they feel on your big old giant jaloping feet.
Oh, they feel cool. Like,
They feel so light, I feel like I can levitate. Whoa, oh, lordy, holy levitation. Time to land.